Hi, it's Mike Yablowski again. Have you ever wanted to take a screenshot of a web page, but the page was just too long for a single image? Instead of taking multiple screenshots, there's a handy Chrome extension called GoFullPage to capture the entire page in just one try. This is the home page at GoFullPage.com, and this is what the extension looks like once you've installed it on Chrome. The icon simply looks like a camera. Here I have opened a page on Wikipedia that I want to capture in its entirety. My GoFullPage extension is sitting right on my address bar along with the other extensions I frequently use. All I have to do to start the process is to click on the GoFullPage icon, watch GoFullPage gobble up the content. When it's done, I can download and save the full page as a PDF or as a PNG file. Here I save as a PDF, locate it, and open it to show it to you. Here I download it as a PNG file. It's kind of small once I save it and open it up, but I can enlarge it, that's off your screen, so I can read the contents clearly. I can take a screenshot of either the PDF or the PNG. Thanks for joining us again. We make technology fun for seniors by enriching their skills through online classes and individual training. Judy and I are seniors teaching senior adults. Please visit our website for more information at abncparties.com or call us at 708-762-3259.